Hello students, today I will start with the third chapter of your grammar book, that is adjectives. Now adjective, it is a word which can describe or tell the quantity of or identify a noun or a pronoun. Now there are kinds of adjectives. As you can see on the first page, adjective of quality, which tells you about the quality of a noun pronoun. Then adjective of quantity, of number, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives. In your book it is very clearly given that what are all these adjectives stand for or what they mean. Then on the next page you have interrogative adjectives, where you have all the question words like whose, with, which, what, such kind of words. And last is the participle adjectives. Now on this page you also will come across how to position the adjectives. First is the attributive position, where you place the adjective just before the noun. Or second is the predicative position, where you place it just before the verb. And there have been given examples on page number 26 and at the starting of page number 27, various orders in which adjectives can be used. Now adjectives can be formed with suffixes, that means adding a word after the main word, or it can be used with prefixes, like examples have been given to you. Then there are degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Like wise will be under positive degree, wiser will be comparative degree, and wisest will be superlative degree. Then on the next page you have formation of comparative and superlative. There are various examples given to you for different words, how you can place them in positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Like an example has been given to you: young word will come under positive degree, younger under comparative, and youngest under superlative degree. On both the pages 28 and 29 you have been given certain words like dry under positive, drier under comparative, and driest under superlative. Now there are certain words in which you do not add er or est, you add more or most. That also have been given in this green column. Then if you come on the next page, there are certain rules which are given for use of adjectives. You can just go through these rules, just read them and go through them. Now on page number 32 you have certain exercises. First, tick the correct answer. The exercises have been done for you. In the second, you have to underline the adjectives and mention the kind of underlined adjectives. Now, like the first one I have done for you. First price. The first is an adjective and it is an adjective of number. Second, few is an adjective and it is an adjective of quantity. So like this, I have marked the adjectives. You have to find out which kind of adjective they are, and you have to write it in front of the sentence. This has to be, all these exercises will be done in your copy. The third exercise also I have done for you, where you have to form the correct adjective with the help of the word that is given in bracket. Fourth exercise, you have to find the right word that will go in a particular sentence, and you have to form the correct adjective through that word. Like we are taking the first word large for the first sentence. Of all the countries China has the large population will be wrong. you have to use the correct form of largest population in the world. Like this, I have done one more for you. Rest you will do for yourself. All the words you will use from those given in the orange bar. In the fifth exercise also, you have been given to fill in the blanks for positive, comparative and superlative. Like I have done the second one for you and the third for you. For example, fifth, positive will be quiet, comparative will be quieter, and superlative is given quietest. Meanwhile, like this, the sixth exercise also needs to be done, where you have to use the correct degree of adjective. When you will do it in the copy, you will first write the sentence that is given in your book. Like, for example, first one, this is the worst news I have ever heard. First you will write this, and then underneath it you will write the correct sentence. This is the worst news I have ever heard. Like this, I have done the second and the third. Rest you will do by yourself. Fourth, the Mars is the close planet to the Earth. So you will write the correct degree. Mars is the closest planet to the Earth. So first you will write the sentence that's given in the book. That's the wrong sentence, and then underneath it you will write the right sentence. So that's all you need to do in this chapter. All the exercises will be done in the copy.